I've been using the Sony Xperia VIII Graphite Black for a bit now, and honestly, it feels like Sony built this phone for a very specific type of person. Right away, the Sony Xperia VIII Graphite Black stands out with its stone-textured back and clean, no-notch, 6.5-inch 120Hz OLED display. It's rare these days to see a flagship still keeping a 3.5mm headphone jack, microSD slot, and even a dedicated shutter button. And I actually respect that a lot. Performance is powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and it's fast, but not perfect. In long sessions, I noticed clear thermal throttling, which is disappointing at this price. Cameras are solid with a new triple 48-megapixel setup, and battery life is easily a full day or more. But charging is stuck at just $30, which feels slow in 2026. So here's the verdict. Amazing for creators and hardware purists, but way too expensive for most people.